Okay, we want to find the intersection of the circle and line defined by this equation: x minus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 12, and 3x minus y equals 8. Notice that the center of this equation is at 3, 1 of the circle, and the radius is the square root of 12. Also, the line, if I solve that for y, we get y equals 3x minus 8. The slope of this line is equal to 3, and the y-intercept is equal to negative 8. So you can graph both of these, the circle and the line, and see what they intersect. And we can use the calculator to do this. You could use graph paper and estimate an intercept, but if you use a calculator you get a more accurate intercept. But to use a calculator you need to solve each of these for y. And so that presents a little problem for the first one. The second one we've solved for y. The first one, we have to subtract x minus 3 squared from both sides, square root it, and then add this 1 here next to the y. And so doing that, you end up with these equations for y. Y equals plus or minus the square root of 12 minus x minus 3 squared plus 1, and y equals 3x minus 8. So now, what we want to do is input this into the calculator. And you might see here, I actually went ahead and did it. Here's the square root of 12, parentheses 12 minus x minus 3 squared, x minus 3 is in parentheses, squared, close parentheses, that closes the root, plus 1. And down here on y3 I did the same thing, except it's the negative root. Why do we need plus or minus root? Remember, when you square root it could be plus or minus. And remember, our original equation was a circle, which is not a function. So to draw a circle you actually need two functions, plus or minus square roots. And then here's 3x minus 8, 3x minus 8. So we hit graph, and that's what we get. A line and a circle. We want to find the intersection. To find the intersection you go second trace and go to intersect, and first curve is one of your circles, hit enter. Second curve is going to be your line, so you want to be on the line closer to the intersection, hit enter, enter again. And there's one intersection at 4.095 and 4.286. The second intersection, second trace, intersect. Get to your line, get to your next circle, the bottom circle. Here we are. Hit enter. Second curve is your line. You want to be close to the line. So actually that's not on the line yet. And here we are on the line. I'll scroll down. So that's the second point. Hit enter. Yes. And then it will find that intersection as 1.9045 and negative 2.286.